Hi there! If you've been watching my videos, you've seen how I made my collage preview, this page right here, and how I saved my PowerPoint presentation into a PDF, how I added in my related products page and my credits pages into that PDF, and then you've seen one way that I make a preview from that original product PDF. And I'm going to show you a different way to make a preview using all of the slides that we saved as pictures to make this page. So I'm going to close out of this. This is my preview I made in the last video. And so essentially I'm going to be making the exact same thing, but I'm just going to do it in a different way. So I'm going to close this one and I'm going to save it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Create, File, Create PDF from File. And I'm going to go into my folder. This is my Dice Edition folder, and I'm going to go to those pictures that I saved from the PowerPoint. So that's in my pictures folder, Dice Edition. And I want to create this PDF based on the first slide, which was the cover slide. And so I'm going to open that. And here is that picture from PowerPoint. Now I'm going to organize pages so that I can add the other pages that I want in there. So I'm going to organize pages and I'm going to go Insert from File. And I'm going to go back to that Dice Edition folder. And right now it's only wanting to show me the Adobe PDF files, but I'm going to change this so that it says all files. That way all of these slides become usable. And so I'm going to let it show me which slide is which. So I'm going to go to slide number 2, and I know I want to insert that one because that's my preview slide. So I'm going to select that one. And you could do this multiple slides at a time, but I just want to double check and make sure that they're the slides I want. I'm going to add in slide number 3. Oops, I have to change back to show all files. So slide 3. And then I know that slide 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 all are pages from my actual product, and so I don't want those ones in there. But I'm going to add slide 3, insert that after that one. So far it matches exactly like my preview that I did in my previous video. Now I'm going to insert in my related products page and my credit pages. So I'm going to go Insert from File, and this is where I have to go to the desktop. And I want my related products page next. And then after that, I want my credit pages and my terms of use, and I'm using the credits landscape version that I saved. And I'm going to have those become the last pages. And so now, essentially I have all of the same pages that I had in the preview that I just made in the previous video. So I'm going to save this one, and I'm going to choose the folder. Go to my products, counting, Dice Edition, and since I already have, this is what I would typically save it as, but since I made a preview in the previous video just to show you, I'm going to save this as preview 1 and save. And I mentioned in my previous video that Teachers Pay Teachers won't let you upload a preview file that is bigger than 5 MB. So before I actually finish and do all my security settings so that it can't be taken from somebody else who wants to take my graphics and stuff, I'm going to check to see how big it is. And I had saved this one as preview 1, and this is 3.6 MB, so it's actually fine in size, so I don't need to save it or reduce the size down, which is nice. And so now it's all ready for me to add in all of my properties, my description here, and like I showed you in the other video, I actually have this already saved as a template, so I don't have to go in and add a whole bunch extra. And then after I close this video, I'll go ahead to the security part, and I'll add in password security. And when I do this, I restrict editing, so I'll change the printing to high resolution. And I'll keep the changes allowed as none. That way nobody can go in and change it or copy the pictures and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and do that after I finish this video. So that's the other way that I make my previews. It just depends on what I'm feeling like doing one way or the other. Sometimes it's nice because if I make it from the other product, then I can already have these pages in, but really it's about the same amount of time either way to make the preview. So I hope that was helpful. Feel free to add this blog post to your Pinterest. That way you can go back to it and see it whenever you're ready. It just takes a couple of times to get used to doing it, and then after that it's pretty simple. It's kind of just easy peasy. But I know everybody has their way that they do it and they find what works best for them, and this is just what works best for me right now. If I end up finding something that works better, I'll probably go ahead and make another screencast of it to show you. But I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.